There's something sacred about the quiet moments, the ones where you're not performing, not proving, not pushing, just being. This is where becoming begins, not in the rush of the world, but in the rhythm of rest, of stillness, of softness. You've spent years surviving, holding it all together, pouring from empty, wearing strength like a badge. But now you're learning to become, to receive, to let go, to bloom. You light the candle, not just for scent, but as a declaration, I choose peace. You arrange the flowers, not because you have to, but because beauty is a language your soul understands. You pour your tea slowly. Take your seat gently. Open your book with intention, because you're not rushing through life anymore. You're romanticizing it, reclaiming it. This is a soft woman season. But it's also a sacred one where you build in quiet, heal in silence, and show up as her. Not because of the world's applause, but because God called you worthy. In this space, you don't need to shrink, explain, or hustle. You just need to be. Be present, be still, be becoming. Because becoming isn't just a chapter, it's the entire story. It's the stretch between who you were and who God is shaping you to be. So let this be your reminder. There is power in your pause, glory in your gentleness, overflow in your obedience, and beauty in your becoming. Welcome home. This is your sacred space. This is your soft sanctuary. This is becoming. With me, Mystiqua Trinette.